So we have deleted all the database. So let's delete this portion. And now what we'll have to do, go on a school table. This all automatically on, and go on a just click a right click and open a query tools. Okay, so here what we have to do, we will have to do next, we create a table name student with the following column student id, first name, last name, age, grade, and city. The SQL command just we have written here. Go in here is a syntax. Here is syntax. We will have to write a create the student table, create table students, student id int, primary key, first name, last name, age, grade, city. So let's write on the query tools. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to simply write create table student. Okay, and open bracket niche, and what we have to do, we'll have to write a um, student id, student id, student id int means integer. This student in the student id is only store a number. Okay, and give a comma and click. And what we'll have to do next is first name, first name, right name. One thing we added here as a primary key. This primary key notify it, every column has a unique number, primary key. Okay, and first name is let's define a data type. It's called a varchar. So it's in varchar we have a store a variable, variables tags. So let's define his character, how many character he stores. So his character store of 50. Okay, so let's store as last name, define data type varchar. I will later tell you what is data types. Just you write here, and just we try to create a table in a database. So let's define it characters, last name 50, and the fourth column is would be age. Age is also integer. It's integer means integer 1 2 3, positive number or negative number they can store. And click comma and move to the next rows. uh, grade, grade in a grade section, wait a minute, write varchar. Okay, and define character 10. Okay, so and lastly city city varchar data types, and define 50. Okay, semicolon, select this portion. Here is syntax error is city. So here is a mistake called we will have to get a comma here, and let's again run again content. So here you guys see our table is created. So query done successfully in 355 MSCC. So now how we can check the our table? So you will simply go on a schema tab, and uh, here you can see a wait a minute. Here you can see a table. In a table option, you just click here and click a student table. Okay. So now a student in we have created student table. So how we can see uh, So guys, our table is created. So how we can see it? We simply go on a school database and give it. I just drag it here and click on a table. Okay, table. Here you can see a student table. And one other option we have to see whether a table is created or not. We just write a query select star using select function select star from students and add a semicolon. Just select it and here run it. Here you can see we already created a student table. In the table we will have to insert a data. Okay. So in the next video we can learn how to insert data in a table. So thank you for the watching. Like, share and subscribe.